Peter.
Hi.
Good
morning.
Let's do it again. Good morning.
Buenos dias.
Welcome to day 5 of our Camino de Santiago.
This is on CP.
We say our because each person is having a very different Camino on a very different time schedule.
Hola, buen camino.
Hola, buen camino.
This morning we woke up in Zubiri and we're heading to La Soaña.
Well said.
And maybe Pamplona, but lunch is definitely happening sometime soon.
Heading to Pamplona, toward Pamplona. And most people are probably on day 3, we're on day 5, and we're just taking it easy. So
this morning when we left the albergue, it was pretty foggy out and just beautiful. Good morning, Peter.
good morning.
Well, Peter was able to fly the drone and go above and below the fog, and just what a unique opportunity to have that perspective.
And then we saw a great waterfall, and might be the only waterfall we'll see.
We've also been looking for ways that people have randomly crossed our paths and how they have directed our steps. So just before the waterfall, we met Jerry from New Jersey, and we kind of slowed down a little bit and walked with him. And then that, I think, is why we heard the waterfall, stopped to really spend some time there. So seeing the water, it's just so peaceful. So it was really great just to have a minute to just be there and admiring just the peace that we saw just on this path here on the Camino. So what happened?
So while we were flying over that waterfall, you know, there was all of a sudden a major disruption in the flight. I don't know if static electricity would do that. I think I would have lost the drone entirely, but
Zapped it. Took a little bite out of it.
Yep. So we didn't lose the drone, but the drone is going to be somewhat out of commission. I lost a chunk of rotor blade. I mean, I can try flying it. It will make adjustments. There's a piece missing out of one of their propellers.
And we don't have that same propeller?
No, I thought I had 2 packs, but one are right-handed and one are left-handed. So, like, the back left and the front right spin the same direction, the, opposite corners. So, can give it a shot. This one here is going to have to work a lot harder to keep the whole drone level and airborne stable.
Ready?
Not being able to fly the drone would be a major setback at this point.
Does that seem okay?
Yeah, it's amazing. So we're definitely going to need a new rotor blade. Luckily, we're only a day and a half away from Pamplona, which is the biggest city for quite a while. So hopefully we can figure it out there.
It looks like it's dancing. So today was a challenge for Peter because of the drone. But it ended with like the biggest gift. Universal chicken call. Oh, Peter's favorite. Love chickens. Chicken whisperer, this guy.
We had chickens. We had 8 chickens. And they make these sweet little noises. They take dust baths. They provide eggs, which is a plus, but they have little personalities too, and it's really neat to discover those. The Camino gives you exactly what you need, and I guess I needed my spirit animal. And the chicken showed up. Whether they're chickens in Spain or chickens in the US, they behave the same.
Tonight we're staying here in the town of Zabaldika, right next to this 13th century church that's run by a group of nuns. This will be one of the most transformative nights of our pilgrimage.